Building solar sites is big work. From 600 acres to 6,000, across 9 states and 13 sites. Extreme aerial productions has been there. Lego boots on the ground and drones in the sky. First step, topographic mapping. We give designers precise topo so the site starts on the right foot. Drainage, grading, no guesswork. Our geospatial detail keeps the land ready for panels, not problems. Before the power flows and after it's live, we inspect it all. Pre-energization, post-energization checked. Thermal scans, picture and video inspections, finding the issues others miss. We confirm design for certification of substations. Analyze best layouts. Every piece fits, every connection verified. And when it's time to prove performance, we've got thermal inspections for warranty claims and proof of capacity, so owners get full credits and extreme aerial productions. Passion, precision, proven across the Southwest. Call us, engage us, and let's build solar smarter together.